Let us talk about what actually a privacy program should actually look like. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy. And as I said, we are going to talk about what a good program should actually look like. It's not the way you think. Privacy or DPDP Act are not restricted to just creating more and more documents. Yes, for every process, you need to have a process document, you need to have a privacy notice, and then you need to take consent. That is fine. And that's a very small thing to do. And relooking at your processes may require some tweaking so that you can handle the privacy items more carefully. But if you think your processes completely need revisiting, then there is some gap in any case of the business. That means you were never conscious about the data that you are handling. So let it be. Be conscious now. Adopt privacy by design, change your processes, set those norms in it so that the data is well protected, not only from regulators but also from breach and hackers. It is not a complex thing to do. It is one-time activity and then regular monitoring. One-time activity of creating documents and processes until of course you add new processes or change processes. But it is not too many documents, too many processes kind of thing. Simple, clear language, simple, clear documents, simple structure. Someone should own it, someone should monitor it. And as I understand, in every organization, there is a process for everything which is being owned by someone and monitored by someone. All you need is just to make sure that it involves the privacy items and stays safer. Create a strong foundation. Understand the data you have. Where does it flow? Where does it come from? How does it flow in the organization? Who are the people who use it? What is the purpose of their using it? Why does the data actually exist in the organization? Take a practical look at, realistic look at the thinking of the risk that you carry. Focus on the real risk, not the theoretical risk. Not just keep everything over engineered, but do every action oriented thing so that you are able to handle things properly. Decision making should be visible. The decisions are visible. The risk is acknowledged. The ownership is clear. And the responsibility is very well defined. That is something which is very well required if you want to handle any project properly. This is not only applicable only for privacy projects, but anything that an organization does, it has to be a clear document or a clear decision around the risks that are available. And it is for the actual user or the organization to think about the risk because they know how they work, because their user knows what challenges he faces, what are the exceptions that he adopts when it is so required, and then continuously adapt it. Once you are used to following privacy norms, once you are used to understand privacy norms, processes will evolve, processes will move to the next step. Do regular reviews, keep a control and an update on the controls that you have decided for your organization and take an adaptive approach to handle it. Good privacy is not visible. It works. It works in the background. Again, it is not a matter of creating many documents and putting on published area that we have a lot of privacy documents. Privacy is something that supports business, not documentation. Manages the risk quietly, not for the public, but for the business. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Share your feedback. If you like my content generally, you can subscribe to the channel. Need more knowledge about privacy? There are courses on Udemy. Two of the books are available both on Amazon and Pothi. You can read them on Kindle. You can order your copy printed from Pothi, Data Privacy Simplified and Data Privacy Simplified with respect to the DPDP Act. And still, if you need any help, guidance, or any kind of services around privacy norms, my contact details are available in the description of this video. Thank you.